All right, people, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depends on where you are watching this video and the time you are watching this video. Today in this video, I want to show you how to create an iCloud. Most iPhone users don't know how to create iCloud, and they actually pay heavily to get this done. So I want to quickly show you how you can do that. It is simple. But just to remind you, if you are using iPhone XR, SS Max, 11 Pro, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12, iPhone 11, you won't be able to create it directly from that iPhone. So you will need an older version of iPhone like iPhone 8, iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 6, 6 Plus, even iPhone 5. That is what you will use to create the iCloud, and then you log it in on your iPhone SS Max, SROs, and what have you. So let's quickly go to the process now. The first thing you should do, ensure your phone is connected to the internet. Okay? After connecting to the internet, just go to your settings. You can see. Then scroll down to Apple Store. Okay, Apple Store, or rather, let's go to a simpler place. Just open Apple Store here. Okay, open Apple Store like this, as if you want to download app. Click on continue. Click here. Now let's wait. Now click on get app. You see, we don't have an ID. We don't have an ID. Now sign in. Click on sign in. So you must enter both your Apple ID and password. I don't want to click on forgot password. So let's go back to settings. Settings. Come here. Click on sign to Apple ID. Don't have an Apple ID. Can you see that? Click on it. Create an Apple ID. Allow it to load. Now you fill in your name. Let me just use this name. I want to use John Abel. Date of birth. I just want to select anyone. Okay. Next it. Now you can see email. Ensure you have a working email, Gmail preferred, or you must have created an Apple ID from the Apple Store or Apple website. But in most cases, I prefer using Gmail so that my Android mails can also come in directly. So put in your working email address. Okay, I want to put in mine. Next it will then request for the password. Oh, this is invalid. Oh, at gmail.com. Must enter correctly. sorry, I've used that email before now. So which means, now take note of what just happened. This particular email address I'm using now, I've actually used it to sign in another Apple before. I've used to sign another iPhone before. So what I'm supposed to do now is to use another email address that have not been used for any iPhone. Alright, so what you do, put in a neutral email address here and click on next. And when you next it, it will request for the password of that email. Are you following? Put in the password of that email, then it will take you to where you will fill in your other details. Mind you, uncheck the payment. It will get to a place you will see payment. Uncheck it. Uncheck and proceed with the other ones. But if you are using it, if you are using an iPhone SRO, you won't be able to uncheck it. Or access mask, you won't be able. That is why I advise you, you use an older version of iPhone, like the iPhone 7 Plus, 6S. That's what you use, so that you'll be able to uncheck that particular place. Are you getting it? Then you verify with a phone number. Put in your phone number, they will send an OTP to that phone number. Put in that OTP and you'll be able to proceed. Then they will still verify this email address. They will send an OTP to that email, this email you just put in on this page. Then you verify with that OTP and that will be all. But one thing I must tell you, ensure you write every details down. I repeat, ensure you write every details down, because those details will be required whenever you want to log in an other iPhone. Maybe you have upgraded to maybe iPhone 12, 14 Pro Max and what have you. You'll be required to put in those details. Now in this case, now let me just show you what I'm saying. Since I've used this email before, I will just log in. Okay, let me just quickly log in for you to see. Okay, now let me just sign in. This is it. Next. I will now enter my password. Now once you have succeeded in entering your password, now this particular login I just did now is applicable to those that are using another iPhone to create an iCloud for their iPhone. For instance, you are using SS Mask, you are using X, you have used X to create it. When you are logging in, they will send a verification code to that iPhone S. Are you getting it? So you go to that phone now, get the verification and put it in. But in case you are not with that phone, just select didn't get code and you will see something like this. Okay, because this SIM now is right here with me. I will now click on send new code. They will now send a code to the phone number you use in verifying it. Once you put in that code, you will be able to proceed, and that will be all. So I hope this video has been of help to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're watching this video on the YouTube. See you in our next video. Bye for now.